had a dream. A powerful gaming laptop that's worth every penny. One that packs tremendous specs with such compact neo-noir aesthetic. I must be dreaming. But it turns out, I wasn't. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is unlike any other gaming laptop. It's built like a tank. With zero flex in the screen and keyboard, this laptop is solid. At 5.86 pounds, it's not the featherweight champion of the world, but for a 16-inch laptop of this caliber, the weight hits the right note of sturdy. It has the Intel i9-13900HX processor, which is paired with an RTX 4080 GPU that flexes a 175 watts TGP. This thing spits out FPS all day, and if that's not enough, it packs a whopping 64 GB of dual-channel RAM. Storage-wise, you've got a 1TB SSD and an extra slot for future expansion. For cooling, it has a vapor chamber which is lighter than traditional heat pipes. Lenovo isn't playing around with this one. The display is a 16-inch IPS glory with a 2560 by 1600 resolution. It flashes frames through at a 240Hz refresh rate. At first glance, the design is minimalist since there aren't any flashy textures. Its keyboard is an RGB wonderland that'll make every keystroke a light show. It also has a front light bar that sets the real-life neo-noir mood. The keyboard feels like a dream, and the trackpad, although plastic, is extremely smooth. I'll let it slide since this laptop is supposed to be used with a mouse. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E and a gigabit Ethernet port for zero-lag online domination. The port situation is a bounty. USB-A and USB-C on the left, another USB-A, a headphone jack, and a sneaky webcam switch on the right. And at the back is where the party's at. 2 more USB-A ports, another USB-C port which you can also use to charge with, and of course it has the HDMI 2.1 and the Ethernet port. These are all the essentials for a no-compromise setup. With light use, your battery can bring you through for up to 6 hours, but unleash this beast in a gaming marathon and you'll need to have it plugged in after an hour. How worthy is this laptop for your money? It is definitely worth it when you're crunching out 140 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 on ultra settings even without a whisper of DLSS. How about Fortnite? At epic settings, it gives out a breezy 77 FPS. And Red Dead Redemption 2 on Ultra is at a solid 55 FPS. All of those are at 1080p with DLSS deactivated. With DLSS on, you might get almost triple the frame rates. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is a heavyweight in gaming, but it never cheaps out on style. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a professional needing top-tier power, this laptop doesn't just step up, it leaps up. Right now, your brand new Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is waiting for you. Just scan this QR code or check the links in the description box below. If you loved staying ahead in the tech game, consider tapping that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. We've got a lot more where this came from. Until next time, keep gaming, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.